and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today, I would like to share with you guys about my valuable skills, which is baking. I would like to bake batik cake, and I hope all of you will enjoy my baking skills. Wait for it.
Okay, what do we need when we want to bake or cook something? Of course, we need to provide all the ingredients needed. Here are all the ingredients needed for baking batik cake. Stay tuned and let's get started. I will show you guys close up for all the ingredients needed. First of all, we need butter and cut the butter into half or depends on the size of cake you want to bake. Oh, do not confuse butter with margarine. Next, we need 1/2 bowl of Milo powder. It is easy to find them in the store or supermarket. The third ingredient is cocoa powder, and I am using 1/4 bowl of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of condensed milk is required. Do not forget our essential ingredients, which is Mary biscuit. We need to crush the biscuits into 4 pieces. Turn on the stove and set the fire in medium. Be careful when dealing with fire. Remember, safety first. Wait for a while and then put the butter in the pan. Stir the butter until perfectly melted for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then mix Milo powder with butter. Put all of them and stir. The next step is pour 1/2 cup of condensed milk to sweeten the mixture. After that, add 1/4 bowl of cocoa powder and stir until well blended. Stir until well blended for about 2 or 3 minutes. Put all the Mary biscuits and mix until smooth on all biscuit surfaces until the mixture coated all the biscuits. Okay, what do we have to do next? We need to transfer them into any suitable container. Yay! Look at this. We are almost done. Lastly, place the container in the refrigerator. Oops! I know you already feel hungry, right? But we need to wait because it will take 2 hours for batik cake to be readily eaten. Finally, the cake batik is ready to be eaten. All the hard work paid off. Oh no, the visual made me drool. It is so delicious. All of you should try to make it once at home. You should try it, okay? It is really satisfying. Do not forget to wash all the dishes. You have to take responsibility for all the mess you have done.
So, how was my video? Is it interesting? I hope it is. I hope all of you will try to challenge yourselves by trying out my new recipe. Spend your time by doing something beneficial instead of playing gadgets because it will help to groom your skills in every aspect. Good luck! See you soon! Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you!